Something about me ambition, keep me on the money mission. Believe na me G's, me believe na the vision. And when me 30 mil me fi sit down, na just me ambition. Ambition, keep me on the money mission. Something about me ambition. Ambition, yo. Hustle every day, me no waste time.
Hey guys, good morning. I know I sound like a troll right now, but I had a really long day yesterday and I thought I could sleep in today. That's what I really wanted to do. However, I'm unable to do that because I have work. So because today is Sunday and it's going to be a very busy day for me, I thought I would take you guys through my day with me today just to show you guys what a typical day on the weekend is like for me. Yesterday was really long. Yesterday was Saturday. Marla has swimming on Saturdays, so I have to go to the pool, grocery shop, just little things, do my laundry, straighten up the house, stuff like that. And despite all of that, this place is still a mess. But today is Sunday. I have 3 clients today. I'm gonna show you guys my work for today and just what I do throughout this day on a typical Sunday. Keep in mind, I have 3 clients, which means I'll be working from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. However, I do have to still cook and make sure Marla is fed and just all of that. Make sure I eat all of that. So you guys are going to be along for that ride today. Yo, yesterday I had personal training. I am so tired. Yes, my love? If I drink it, I don't finish. You need to drink your tea. You drink it off? Oh, okay. Look guys, I am so feeling this hair. I got 2 new pieces. I need to oil them. They started stripping, so you know it's that horrible looking phase, but they're fine. Okay, so there's my alarm telling me I have 30 minutes until work, so I have to go outside, set up, make sure everything is ready for my appointments. So it should be a very eventful day, you know. I'm going to be just doing my best to stay, you know, awake through this day because I am extremely tired. Like I am beat. I got up like after 6 and I went back to sleep because I went back to lay down. I couldn't sleep. Once the sun is out, guys, I can't sleep, but I will lounge. Okay, so these babies are new. Still haven't named them yet, so we're just going to call them the Natural Glam Spring Twists for now. So I'm gonna hurry up and set up before my client comes and just make sure that I have a smooth day today, and it's gonna be fun.
That's the way it was. You was good on the low for a favor. I'm so
morning. What going?
Morning, darling. That's why I'm calling now. I am, you know, me like Hairstylist and wine, right?
Yes, ma'am.
What if I have a space today?
May I work from 9? May I work from 9 to 6, so that's impossible.
Oh, yeah, we're from 9 to 6.
Yeah, I have 3 people.
Alright then. We don't do that shit.
Yeah, man. But a good thing that. Would I, yeah. Yeah.
So I definitely tomorrow then.
Alright, we can do early. Or your nails and your lash.
When you say early, what time? What you asking?
You give me the time. 6.
Yeah, 6 o'clock in the morning.
Me not come now? 6.
AM?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yes.
Me not playing all the time?
Then come the lady. Yeah, you're a fix, so I mean. Yeah.
6 o'clock in the morning, but at least we don't have a play.
Exactly. Alright, cool.
Alright, so 6 a.m. in the morning.
Yes, ma'am.
Cool.
Alright.
Yeah.
I haven't had breakfast yet. Just some coffee. This girl here is having tea and she's doing her homework, right, Baba? Oh yeah. So we just get through our morning pretty simple. Our mornings are pretty simple if she wake up on time. Like if she doesn't wake up on time, then I have to be scampering. Come in this video and show your homework. Oh wow. It says color the triangle blue, right?
Yes.
Nice. So color the rectangle yellow. So you're gonna finish coloring that yellow?
Yes.
Beautiful. And then you're gonna color the heart. What color?
Red.
Good job.
Love you guys.
Love you guys. Okay guys, that's my baby.
Yo, hear me now. Everybody do that dance and nasty up and them nasty up. Fix things, quick things, looping. Well, alright then. Can you see me a cleanest? Those are me rocking at the king realest. Ching ching. In a the Louis V vest. Girl want with this real silicon and real blessed. And a blow breeze for the head of the
Alright babe, so I came in for a little bit to put my dinner on the stove to start cooking dinner. It's now 2:31 by this phone, which is not accurate. It's a little bit fast, so it's like about 2:20 something. So about 2:25. So I'm about to put the pot on the stove. I'm gonna put the peas to boil. I'm making rice and peas and fried chicken today, and I have the sink full of dirty dishes because I don't have time to wash them at intervals, so I have to like go back and forth. So my second client has the locks on, they just haven't been attached as yet, so that means I've parted her off and everything. So I'm going to show you guys that when I go back outside. But look what's going on in my pot. All right, I soaked my peas from last night, so they're not that tough, them really soft, so them just need a little boiling so the water can get to flavor. And then I'll just add my coconut milk, my scallion, my pepper, my thyme, and my butter to make my rice and peas. All right, so this is what's happening in my pot. It's been soaking with the garlic overnight. I'm just going to make it come to a boil and just cook for a little bit. So I'm gonna leave my chicken to be fried last because I already seasoned it and everything. All I have to do is fry it. You know, so you know, I fry the chicken and put it down. So I'm going to be doing the whole like a French fry style chicken, maybe with some sweet and sour sauce. Marla don't really like flavors like that. She just like basic. If she's eating rice and peas or chicken or anything, she wants it to be very basic. She don't like flavored rice, or if I cook pumpkin rice, it's not really her favorite. She prefers plain. So I'm going to try to keep her chicken as plain as possible, but I might do a sweet and sour sauce for myself. Alright, so I have my rice. It's only me and Marla, so I don't need a lot of rice. So I usually just eyeball it. I've already washed my hands. And I'm trying to make rice for today and tomorrow, so yeah, that will work. Mr. Guys, tell me why I want to fight the guy with my stitching, right? My regular logo does not have a face on it. It's just a silhouette of a face with the afro and the crown on it. This man had nose and beard something and now make my girl look ugly. Like, that shit is ugly as hell. Please excuse my logo. This is not what I told him that I wanted, but I want to also have a new logo for the new year 2022. So many have not watched that. I'm just trying to say I forgot give me a discount because I never tell him to forget put no face on my son. Sink full of plates. Now that you. Marla says she wants a snack. Just get her a snack. I wonder what she wants. Ask her if she wants one bun. Alright guys, so I just finished my second client for the day and now I'm about to put my coconut milk in my pot. Alright, my peas are cooked at this point and I'm using all of the sachet. Alright, so this is how my pot looks at this point and I'm going to just put the cover back on it and let it come to a boil and then I'm going to add my rice. Alright, so I feel like I'm going to prep my pot for my chicken as well. I'm going to take my chicken out because my 3 o'clock is late. It's now 3:43, so that's how late she is. So I'm going to prep my pot to fry my chicken. And yeah, when clients are late, I don't stress because once you clock an hour, you have to pay the late fee. So if you want to be late, that's up to you, girl. So I'm going to season my flour with some chicken seasoning, some cayenne pepper, and some black pepper. Mix it all together like this. And then I'm gonna wash my rice and add my rice. Alright guys, round 3. This client is getting these NaturalGlamLocs in mid-back length. Alright, close up, texture shot. Where's my camera? Over here? Okay. And these are in mid-back.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. There's no one else to do. That's why I'm fine. And my love with you, I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is no one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is no one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Alright guys, last person. My locks
locks are in swans. Oh my. Should have a little fade right here, so should have flip it over. But yeah, last person. Once I reach him now. So this is my last client for the day. So now all I gotta do is just clean up. Alright guys, we're back in the kitchen. I am about to do the dishes and fry my chicken. Look, when I say I am tired, I am freaking exhausted, bro. Like, I am beat. So I have managed to finish cooking my rice and peas. So I'm gonna take my chicken out, fry my chicken, and drink some ginger ale. Hopefully the ginger ale can help me to get rid of some of the indigestion that I have built up for today. All my chicken is in here. Gonna fry it all. So I actually wanted to make some potato salad as well. So I'm taking up some eggs. I've really just been feeling for the potato salad all day. So if anybody's wondering about Marla, as in throughout the day, because I know you guys must have that question. Speak of the devil. Hi, beautiful. Your eyes still hurt? Your eyes still hurting? I was gonna tell you guys that she sleeps for most of the day. Sometime like on the weekend she'll be playing her game, but today she's particularly bored, so because of that she was really sleeping for majority of the day. She woke up, she had a snack, she drank some juice, drink some water, go back to sleep. So she's been telling me the last time she woke up that she wanted her dinner. So I'm gonna make sure someone just fry a piece of chicken so she can get it, because she's not a fussy eater. She's not fussy at all. I'm just going to see if I can comfort her with some, maybe let her play like a game or something to occupy her time while I fry the chicken. She told me that she wants cuddle, so I'm gonna bed, get to go lie down with her. My baby okay? She's about to be 5, guys. I'm so excited. Alright, big girl. You want something to drink? Water? Maybe juice? Which one of the juice? The orange juice? Show me which one. That smells good. Step back there. Alright guys, so finally finished cooking. Made Marla a plate. That's my plate. And I made some gravy. Just a little bit of this saucy. It's kind of like a sweet with a tangy type of taste to it. So I'm putting some of that on there. But yeah, this is dinner. Let me show you guys what I'm having my dinner with, because it's been a long ass day. Of course, a lemon bear to make my night great. Did the dishes, scrub the stove, all that stuff. And now I'm just going to eat, you know, Marla's gonna eat and we're just gonna watch a movie just for the next couple of minutes because tomorrow is Monday and she has online classes tomorrow. So I really hope you guys enjoy this vlog. I did my very best to be as thorough. I hope you guys appreciate the effort that went into this one. Today has been a day and a half. Like, I can't wait to shower and just close my eyes for the night. So I hope you guys get more of an insight into what my weekends are like, and this was just Sunday. Mar wants to say bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Gonna go eat now? Don't forget to thumbs up the video, hit subscribe, and drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this vlog. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Until next time, stay naturally beautiful. Bye.